I loved getting rid of my art, man. Like, I would burn. Okay, when I came to America, I took pictures of all my art, and then I burned some of it, and it would burn like blues and purples, and I was like, "This is such a cool moment."
Oh, that's very cathartic.
Like, I could like let go of it and be like, "It doesn't own me. I don't like have to be tied to it."
Yeah.
Plus, one of them was like this super political piece. I would probably have gotten for that one. Like, it was the current president. So I have a picture somewhere, and I'll maybe show it on the screen. But it was one of the previous presidents, and he had like his arm out, and then he had like a Pinocchio nose with a donut around it, and then the puppet hand was the finance minister or the youth minister. No, the police. The police was the puppet, and then the puppet like jacket was being pulled by the youth minister and the finance minister, and there's like cash flying out of it.
Yeah.
And then there was I stuck like army soldiers onto the piece of art, and then I did the shape of South Africa around
Not a lot of popular topics there.
No, it was such a deep dark.
Yeah.
When I was young, I was like doing all this weird stuff, like deep dark stuff, and it was just politics. And then it had like a newspaper that was framing it that said truth, and then in truth it was saying lies, 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 lies.
Sure.
By the way, South Africa is third world, and when you have a lot of resources, like any country, you will always find corruption, but with a caveat, it's a beautiful place with beautiful people. You don't want to fall into the negative trap. Hey you, welcome to this page. You are in the right spot. We are doing a giveaway, and I'm going to show you how this all started. It's so crazy, and I'm excited to share this because it's really an important time to get involved with this, and how this could actually benefit you. We're also doing $300 merch add-on giveaways, but I wouldn't be here without a few different people. So we are giving the seasonal type giveaway. And first of all, thanks so much to Top Shelf Printers here locally in Greeley, Colorado. They are supplying our merch and the printing and all that. This wouldn't be possible without them, as well as Yoder Chevrolet. They helped kind of initiate the idea behind this. I remember sitting down with someone there and having basically a lunch, and we had like this lava bowl Mexican food down at the dealership, and it was amazing. So go check them out. They're new. They just acquired that location. But yeah, just super thanks for getting me on track with this concept. So how's this gonna work, right? This is Ruben, one of our Wix partners. So we're big on vendor partners, and when we build websites, when we do marketing, when we do this stuff, it's not able to run without the people behind it. So there's my team and myself, and then there's the partners and freelancers, and it's just amazing that we get to do what we get to do. We guinea pig projects like this that we're actually running right now so that we can do it for clients. I already have 2 or 3 clients that are looking into stuff, and so that's what makes us different as an agency. We do the sales psychology and go from there. But this is not a sales pitch. This is not about that. This is about the giveaway and how you can get involved. You don't want to fall into the negative trap. Good community thinking people, you know, just love each other.
That just helps you understand the power of art, man, and why it's controlled and why it's feared, and why, you know, things like art, music, cinema, why those things are such important mediums. Because again, doing a piece like that, a lot of controversial topics in there.
I decided I didn't want that.
Not very popular.
I didn't want that on someone's wall.
Sure.
Because could that get?
But that's not why you created that. You didn't.
Some artists can live like that. Sure. But it's like, man, no, like. Someone had that on their wall and someone didn't like that and they found out, it's like it could be bad. Like, right. I don't know. The risks we take. Some people take more risks.
Sure. I
just didn't want to take that one. Okay, so let's get into the show.
Do you think it would be cool to kind of set these like right here?
We can. If it can stand there without tipping, and you could use the pads.
They like to tip.
Yeah, there's the pads too behind you, and then
like to roll,
there's a sandbag by your foot, Sal.
Okay.
But
I think we're good. Okay.
I'm very careful that this can just like plummet. Let me do this. This will secure it. Okay, so what we do?
It's wood, right?
Yeah. Yeah, they're not so fragile. They're fine.
This is like, this will also hold it.
Dig it. Yeah, that works.
And
Is
then
this like Bob's Burger but with Simpsons?
Ned Flanders, yeah, Simpsons and Freddie Mercury. Yeah.
Nettie Merc.
Mercury, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna use another sandbag.
I haven't done any Bob's Burgers, so I did not grow up on that show. However, there's a lot of great characters, which I know a lot of people would love some Bob Burgers boards or some Family Guy boards.
Right.
Yeah, but I've not ventured into that. The Simpsons have so much fodder for me.
They do. It's that. I love the retro colors and like everything about it.
Right.
Like it just pops, man. Like pinks and blues and yellows.
Primary color wheel.
Changes everything. I love it.
I love it. Okay, let's rock it, man.